I'm going to show you how you can easily order with cash on Uber Eats. First, open Uber Eats on your phone. You'll be able to use cash to pay for Uber Eats in different countries. If you haven't logged in already, you'll be prompted to either register or log in to your Uber account. When you open the app, you'll be presented with thumbnails of the restaurant near you that offer Uber Eats delivery. You can browse the separate areas here, such as $0 delivery fee or special offers. You can change the delivery address if it's different than what is displayed by tapping the arrow next to the address at the top of the screen. You can also opt for pickup by tapping pickup at the top of the screen. Once you select a restaurant, you will see their menu. Also, browse through their food selections, then tap a menu item, for example, chicken ranch. After you tap a menu item, you might have to make a few more choices before you can tap the plus icon at the bottom of the page to add the item to your cart. Next, tap View Cart when you're ready to order. You will see the pop-up at the bottom of the screen when you have something in your cart. Now tap your current payment method at the bottom of the screen. The card you initially added to Uber will be selected as the default payment method unless you change it. You can choose to pay cash if it is available in your area. If cash is not an option when ordering from your current address, this option will not appear. Tap Place Order to confirm and get a confirmation email that the order has been placed, and you'll be able to track your food's delivery progress every time you check the app. When the driver arrives, you pay them with cash. You can tip in cash as well.